Here is a raven, and I want to emphasize ravens and crows are one of the most loving birds on this planet and one of the most intelligent animals on this planet. They're very loving and very smart, and so are the finches. Many birds out there are very intelligent and very loving. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Come here, eat. Eat. Eat, baby. Come here. Eat. Right over here. See? Here's your tray, honey. He or she's either a crowbird or a raven, and I call him or her Xanadu. And I love him or her, don't I? I love you. I think Xanadu is a raven, and I love ravens. I sure do. Come here, baby. Okay, that's possibly a firework. Come here, honey. It's okay. Eat. Here's your food, too. Right here is food. There you go.